Hi, and welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff, and Happy New Year. I am making an Asian salad. It's a crunchy Asian salad. It's super delicious. In my family, we have to eat, well, it's our tradition to eat cabbage and ham on New Year's Day. I don't eat ham anymore because I'm a vegetarian, but I do still eat the cabbage, and I usually make coleslaw, and I'm still going to make coleslaw, but this year and last year I made this Asian salad that has the cabbage in it. This has red and green cabbage in it, so should be extra lucky, right? When my family members say, oh, I ate the cabbage last year and I still had bad luck, it's like, well, just think of how bad the luck would have been if you hadn't eaten the cabbage, right? I'm just saying. Anyway, this is a head of green cabbage and a half a head of purple cabbage, and I cut it into little chunks. You can see they're little chunks. Then I'm going to add 2 shredded carrots, 1 diced and seeded and diced cucumber, diced and seeded, seeded and diced, however you like to say it. 1 green bell pepper chopped in little chunks, 1/2 cup of cilantro leaves and stems. This is 4 green onions chopped into little circles. This is an optional item, but it is 2 serrano chili peppers, 2 cups of chopped up kale. See, super good for you, right? Okay, now let's get that mixed up. I'm gonna mix this up with a spatula. This bowl's almost not big enough. Okay, now for the dressing. The dressing's so delicious. It's like a sweet and sour Asian type dressing. I have 1/2 cup of olive oil here, extra virgin olive oil. I have 5 cloves of garlic. Use fewer of them if you don't want that much garlic in there. This is a 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar, about a tablespoon of shredded ginger, or grated ginger, however you like to do it. This is 1/3 cup of soy sauce. This is the light soy sauce, the low sodium, but you know, use whatever you like. This is 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And this is 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. You got to do it until the sugar dissolves. This is a salad that will be better if you leave it sitting for an hour or 2. I wouldn't necessarily say that this is something that you should do the night before, but definitely the morning, and then you're going to eat it later that day. That would be perfect. And something else I forgot for the salad part. This is 8 ounces of angel hair pasta, cooked according to package directions to al dente. And you can chop it up if you want. I had an Italian mother-in-law, and that wasn't allowed. So we're just going to mix this all up. Then if you wanted to use honey instead of brown sugar, you could do that. Or if you wanted to use a little bit of both. And here goes the dressing. If you are a meat eater and you have to have meat, go ahead and throw some shredded chicken in here. If you have some turkey left over from Christmas and you want to put that in here, go ahead. Okay, here we go. Now, one of the cool things about this is, I normally use red onion, by the way. I used green onion today because I actually got some more green onion and I already had some, so I wanted to use it up, but I normally use red onion in this salad. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. That is really so good. It's actually really good right now. You could eat it right now, but I think you put it in the refrigerator for an hour or so, it'll even be better. Try this. Let me know how you like it. What is your New Year's tradition? Do you have a New Year's tradition that you have to eat on New Year's? I know in the South, I lived in Georgia for a year, and a lot of them eat black-eyed peas, and a lot of them eat greens. Oh, I saw ladies at the store with shopping carts full of greens, full of the kale and the mustard greens and all that kind of stuff. So it's a big deal down there. Peanuts. That's part of the thing that makes it crunchy. It makes it crunchy because of the cabbage, but also it makes it crunchy because of the peanuts. I'll try another bite. You know, I'll take one for the team. Oh, that's delicious. It's perfect. It's delicious. Try it any day, but we eat it on New Year's now. You take care now and Happy New Year.